Welcome. Today we'll be doing a custom merchant, specifically a cart driver. Then when we use his services for traveling around or fast traveling, he will cost us 1 silver. And it works like this. We talk to him, we have flavor text, we click the travel button. If we have the money, he's going to check. In this case, we do have 1 silver. And after 2 seconds, we get teleported. Okay, let's get started. Like always, we go to settings, server, administration, make me admin. Then we enter creative mode. We're going to go back into X menu, and this time we go to cheat panel, building, and we're going to find the thespian. This is the NPC. I'm also going to freeze the daytime, and that's about it. Let's place the character down. We're going to edit. For the name, I'm just going to use Loki. Profession, we can call it cart driver. Preset profession none. Important thespian type. Let's change it to dialogue thespian. And that's about it. You can use the kits to dress the character up. And now we go into Mushi editor. So this is the grid. This is the origin node where everything starts. You cannot create a new one. You cannot delete it. You always start from here. Hold that right click and drag to move around. Right click to open the menu. Okay. There is a limit to how far you can go each direction. So keep that in mind. And let's get started. Right click and we can create a new dialogue, which is this one. On this one, we're going to type, which I have already created some presets down here to get the ball running. Where do you want to travel? Okay. After that, we're going to find an option node. And let's say we want to travel to the inn, desert inn. Let's connect it. Then we can add a new dialogue node that we're going to type in it. Another flavor text, which is this one. I already have it created. And notice that it ends on a question. So that means we can give the player an option to say yes. Bring another option node and say no. For the option nodes, the way you connect them is the way that they're going to show on the UI. Okay, if we connect yes first, then it's going to be at the top. If we connect no second, it's going to be at the bottom. Same way, if we connect no first, then it's going to be at the top. Okay, so it doesn't matter here. What matters is in the order that you connect them. Okay, so we're gonna do yes and we're going to do no. Okay. For no, we are simply going to close the dialogue. So we're going to bring the action node. An action node is a node that does the things. So it has a bunch of different options, and you can see them here, from give item all the way to set the player level. But the one we want is close dialogue right here. There you go. You don't need to take this. And so that I don't confuse you, I'm not going to explain it yet. We'll do it in another video. After yes, notice here that it says it costs 1 silver to go there. We have to check if the player actually has 1 silver, because they may lie, right? So how do we do that? We go and find a condition node, and the condition node checks things to see if they are true or false, and it's a branch. If it's true, then it goes up this way, and if it's false, it goes down this way. So for this, we're going to check if the player has the funds. How many? Well, we set here 1 silver, so let's make it 1 silver. and we can connect it here. Then if the player doesn't have the funds, we're going to add another flavor text, which I have here, and it says you don't have the funds. And that's it for the false. And then if the player has the funds, the NPC is going to say, okay, let's go. And then, of course, we check and the player passed the check, but we didn't remove 1 silver from his inventory. So we're going to use the action node and the action to remove funds here. Remove funds. How much? Well, we've been saying that it's 1 silver, so 1 silver. Now connect it. Now here we're going to add a wait node, and the wait node works as a stop. These two work as stops, the option node and the wait node. Okay, so this start when you open the dialog, it goes like, where do you want to travel, and it stops here. Once you click this button, it continues and it stops here and it shows these options. And once we click this button, it goes all the way, and if we don't stop it, it's just going to go. And if the server lags out or anything like that, it may not do the action. So that's why you want to stop it every few nodes. Okay, I'd say no more than 5 nodes where you need to put a stop, either a wait or an option node. Anyways, this is in milliseconds, so 500 is half a second, which means that 1000 milliseconds is 1 second. Here we're going to use 2000, which is 2 seconds. Okay, so when the player presses yes, we're gonna check if he has the funds, and if it does, it's going to say let's go, and at the same time it's going to remove 1 gold, 1 silver. We're gonna wait 2 seconds, and then we find another action node, and we're going to warp the player, which is here, and it works as teleporting or fast traveling. We haven't created the warp, so let's do that now. File, save, file, close, apply, and close. I want the player to be teleported here when they get fast traveled. And if you saw my warps video, you go into warps. I have created one here. I'm going to delete it so that you can see it. We create a warp. Let's call it Desert Inn. And here I can say fast travel to inn. We create it. And now we have to remember how we wrote this, which is a bad idea. So let me type it again. Desert Inn. Control A, Control C. Okay. What I did is just try and copy the name. And now we just go back to the NPC. Edit. Mushi. And we go all the way here. And we paste the name. Desert Inn. Now we are basically done. I can delete this. We are basically done. File, save. Here we can add what we call a debug node, which is a button that says give money or give 1 silver. And then we go into the action node and we find the one that says give funds. And we're going to say that it adds one silver. Connect it here. And this is just for us, so that every time we spend a silver, we can grab it quickly here. File, save, file, close, apply, close. Now you can also do it through the admin panel right here. As you can see, I already have 2 silver. So for the sake of testing, I'm gonna set it to 0. And now we should be rejected. Where do you want to travel? Travel to the Desert Inn. It costs 1 silver to go there. Are you sure? We click yes, and it's going to say you don't have the funds. Now we click back, click here. We say give me 1 silver. Go back. Let's see if we actually got the silver. and it's right here, 1 silver. All right, let's have a conversation again. Costs 1 silver to go there. Are you sure? Yes. He said, let's go. And after 2 seconds, we get teleported. And there we go. That's how we can make a custom merchant for traveling. Now you simply, if you want more options, you simply do the same with another option. From here on, you copy all this. You do the same thing. Okay, and since we already tested that it works, we can disconnect this and you can delete it or keep it in case you want to keep testing. Another thing that you can do, file save, is that you can use this as a preset so that you can do other merchants. And let me show you how to do that. You simply go here, local script storage, we make it a new save. The name is custom cart driver merchant. The author was me, the archivist, and the description, and we create it. And right here it is, and I'm going to show you how to call it back. File save, file close, apply close. We're going to bring another NPC right here. There we go. We go edit. I'm not going to put a name on it. The only thing you need to change is to make it to dialogue thespian. There you go. You know it's working because this appears. And you go to Mushi editor, you go to file, script storage, you click on the one that you want and you load it, and it's right here. We have created the same type of merchant, but we can use it differently, and I'm going to show you how to use that on my next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.